Alright everybody, welcome to today's episode. We're back working on the 1969 Mustang project car. Alright, so basically today we are just going crazy. We're going after, we're putting what is essentially a wide body kit on the back here. I got some rear quarters off of a fastback which are wider and better looking than these rear quarters. It has been quite some time since I worked on this car. It's been since the end of January since I've actually got to work on it. And I've just been dying to work on this thing. But with moving and everything, I've just been really busy. A little too busy to work on it. And most of you probably already know that I'm moving, because mostly it's family and friends who watch the Johnny Hot Rod YouTube channel. And that's okay. I'm just doing what I love, working on cars. I also enjoy making the videos, so I'll just share it with whoever wants to see it. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you want to. Thanks for watching. Here we go. Gotta get the 98 GT out of the way here. So I have lots of space to work on the 1969. I am gonna be selling this car. Well, I am selling it. I do not have room for it at the new place that I'm going to. So unfortunately, it has to go. '69 fastback, rear quarter panel going on. It's gonna make a wide body kit. Well, essentially it will widen the rear. I don't know, body kit, whatever. But check it out. I don't know if you guys can see, but that is going to be almost 2 inches, 1 3/4 inch wider. Go ahead and pull the rear bumper off here while I'm waiting for my batteries to charge for the cutoff wheel. Moving the tail lights, obviously. Ooh. Bit rustified. Rusty. But we'll see what we can do with it. Okay, see, I got the thing off, but as an added bonus, I can get to these. It's for the rear quarter window, which I'm gonna have to pull that out. The track is all locked up, but you can see there's a ton of rust just everywhere. Just a rusty deal, and it definitely got hit in the back pretty hard. You can see it's all bent up, so we'll see about straightening that out while we're in here. And yeah, we'll take care of some of this rust too. See what I got going on here. I've literally been working on this the whole time. It's starting to turn into night outside. But anyways, I have pulled the track for the rear window out. You can see it right here. It was stuck, so I figured I might as well fix it now because I can actually get it out of there. So I got that, more or less freed back up. Now I got to put it back in. I'm not really going to show that because that's pretty boring. So then I'm hoping to hopefully get that quarter mocked up tonight. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Alright, there you have it. I got it sort of clamped on there right now. It still needs some adjustment, clearly. But I wanted to actually show you guys the quarter panel, at least sort of on the car before the end of this episode. Whether this is actually the end or not, I'm not sure. I do have a ton more work to do before it's actually tacked into place. I gotta do some rust coating on the inside there. Obviously get it to fit correctly, and then I'll be installing it. But thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you next time.